In technical analysis, a divergence is said to occur when the price of an asset moves in the opposite direction of an indicator or a related market. The inability of both to move in unison is seen as a possible warning sign, given that one of the two must be wrong and will soon correct. Now, typically used in conjunction with momentum indicators, traders will look for confirmation of a trend by observing whether the momentum of that market is also moving in the same manner as price itself. Let's look at an example of momentum divergence in the Aussie dollar against the New Zealand dollar in October 2015. The 4-hour chart shows that price was clearly trading to the downside, establishing continued lower lows. However, on the RSI indicator, it's clear that the lowest RSI reading came on the 15th, with the subsequent lows gradually rising until price broke higher. Notice that on this occasion, I compared the lower lows in price action with the higher lows in the RSI to provide the divergence. The key is to compare lows with lows on the downtrend and highs with highs on an uptrend. Also notice that I saw the bullish divergence confirmed with the breakout of the channel, a bullish break through a trend line in the RSI, and the creation of a new high in price. This brings me on to the subject of reliability. You should avoid utilizing divergences as a sole form of analysis to place a trade. It's much more sensible to await confirmation in price first. When comparing two markets to look for divergence, it's often the case that an analyst would ensure that two correlated markets confirm each other prior to placing a trade. One of the earliest examples of this was Charles Dow's Dow theory, which stated that both the Dow Jones Industrial Average and the Dow Jones Transportation Average must exhibit higher highs for an uptrend and lower lows for a downtrend. In a more modern sense, this could take the form of watching for a breakout in both Brent and US crude before you place too much faith in the breakout of one of those markets. For more educational videos alongside our usual analysis, make sure to continue visiting the IGTV website.